Good evening, Paulomi, and welcome to this session. Now you ask me, what do you want to learn from today's session? Please.
Sir, I have an important query for you.
Yes.
How do I give presentation more effectively?
Okay. Now you have to understand one very simple thing. That the moment you are talking about presentation, there is audience, right? Now, who
Yes.
is audience? If you understand the importance of audience, who is the audience, why they have come to be present in your session, what is their interest, what is their demography, what are the important points they want to learn from your presentation, everything is related to each other. You have to understand the importance of audience first. Then I just want to tell you there are three important P's, three words starting with the alphabet P, and if you can understand the meaning of those P's, then you can easily give a presentation effectively in front of audience. P number 1, planning. Now, without planning, you cannot become a great presenter. Now, what is planning? Suppose you have got one topic. For this session, let's assume that your topic is women empowerment. You have got the topic. Now your planning has started. You have to start your planning. The important points, then the sub points, everything. And you have to write down one by one. You have to research internet, you have to search books, you can listen to important interviews related to your topic, and then you plan your topic. After planning, the second P, which is about preparation. Now, what is preparation? The way you are writing the important points on your slide. That is very, very important. After writing the important slide, what are the pictures you are going to give? If there is any video, you can also play that in the time of your presentation. And then after that preparation part, the last important P is practice. Now, without practice, your planning is great, your preparation is excellent, wonderful PPT you have prepared, but your practice is not there. If your practice is not there, you cannot give your presentation in an effect. Together, you have to take care of your planning, you have to take care of your preparation, and also you have to take care of your practice. Now, how do you practice? Suppose there are three important points, and there are four important sub points of those points. There will be on the slide, there will be only point or 1 or 1.5 sentences. The important sentence you can also write, but you cannot simply copy from the slides which you have written. You cannot just repeat whatever is there on the slides. What you have to do? You have to look at the slide. You should know, okay, this slide contains three important points. That's also written there. Now, for those important points, what should be the explanation? How you are going to present those important points to the audience? That will create the difference. That is the difference between a good presentation and a bad presentation. And always remember that content plays only 7% of the success. I repeat this. You can be surprised to know the content is only 7%. Mode of delivery, vocal clarity, and body language, non-verbal communication, they play the rest. 38% and 55%. Together, if we want to summarize how you can give better presentation, always practice with those points which are necessary, and the sentences you are going to share in front of the audience, you have to take care of that. Make it very simple. The PPT slides should be very, very simple. The color contrast, the font size of the words, of the points you have written, you have used on the slide, everything is very, very important, but make it very, very simple. Your focus should be your planning, preparation, and practice. Practice is the most important P, these three P's of presentation. Have you got it?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. I got it.
Okay, now we are going to give a demonstration, and let's see how we can actually give a better presentation. And today's topic is women empowerment, right? Okay,
Okay, sir.
that's good.